Let's read, write, and expand another really long number for some practice. 82, here's the comma, 82,057,439. To write it, we would say 82, stop and say the family name, million. Let's put our comma in to say we're in the next house. Between these two commas, we only have a 57. So 57. Our comma makes us pause to say the family name, 1,000. And we're going to place our comma to show we're going into the next house, 439. If we were to expand our number, we would have to say 8 and then use zeros to fill up the rest of these columns. So our 8 would need a 0 here with a comma. Then we would need 3 zeros for the thousands house and 3 zeros for the first name's house. So this 8, which does not want to stay on the board, is in the 10 millions column. So we would have 80 million. That's what this would be. The 2 would be in, we would have to add to it 2. It's in the millions column, so we would need a comma right after it, and then 3 zeros for the thousands house, and 3 zeros for the first house. Our next number is a 0, so we can skip that one altogether and go on to our 5. So our 5 is in the 10,000s column, so we're going to need 1 0 here to finish off the thousands house, and 3 zeros to hold the place of the last house that we have. 7 is in the thousands column, so we need a 7 here in the thousands place with a comma. Notice that all my commas are lined up, and then 3 zeros to hold the place of the first house. Next is the 4. 4 is in the hundreds column. These are a little bit easier to understand at this point. The 3 actually means 30, and the 9 is a plain 9. That's just in the ones column. So expanded notation would be adding all of these together.